Hello. Continuation to cons of cloud computing is nothing but disadvantages of cloud computing. We want to discuss previous class the four concepts of four disadvantages of cloud computing: no longer in control, may not get all the features, no redundancy, and finally bandwidth issue. We discussed in previous class. Okay, previous video we discussed. Now coming to the continuation of cons of cloud computing is nothing but disadvantages of cloud computing. The further one is control and reliability. What we want to control, the reliability in the sense we should available at all times. Okay, in the sense here, so we want to say the biggest fear of cloud computing is found in its a major benefit. Okay, the ability to outsource the IT infrastructure burden to a specialized vendor or a provider to make sure that the sounds great, but with a move to the cloud, you do give up the in-house control of a traditional IT department. Okay, in the sense nothing we want to learn here control and reliability. What the disadvantage in the sense, we have some biggest cloud computing is found in its the major benefit, the ability to outsource the IT burden to a specialized provider. Okay, to make sure that the sounds will be great, but it a move to the cloud, you do give up the in-house control of a traditional IT department. It is nothing but what we want to say control and reliability. And coming to the one more disadvantage of cloud computing is security and privacy and compliance. The name says security. If you want to transfer some data from one network to another network, the security will be provided. Okay, here what the disadvantage of cloud computing in the sense the security can also be a concern in the cloud. It particularly if you manage the confidentiality data like customer information. Okay, and coming to the compliance in the cloud, it may be become an issue which may require to deliver a private cloud if you do to have a secure private data. Okay, nothing here, security can also be a concern in a part of that cloud. It particularly if you can manage the confidentiality data like the customer information. And coming to the compliance in the cloud, it may also become an issue which may require we want to deploying a private cloud. If you do it have a some secure private data will be there. Okay, and coming to the one more disadvantage of cloud computing is compatibility. The name compatible in the sense of matchable. Okay, compatibility in the sense to make sure that every existing tool and software and as well as computer, it should be compatible with the web based services. Okay, it should be matchable with the web based services and platforms or infrastructures. While coming to the on-site IT infrastructure, it may have a little more control in managing integration and compatibility. What we want to say, it is often what you see is what you get in the cloud. It should be an existing tool. Okay, it should be matchable with the web-based services. Okay, compatibility is nothing to make sure that every existing tool and software in a computer, it is compatible with the web-based services and platforms as well as infrastructures. While going to the on-site IT infrastructure, it may have some little more control while managing the integration and compatibility. Okay, it is oftenly used what you see is what you get in the cloud. And one more disadvantage of cloud computing is unpredicted cost. Okay, predict, it may or may not be done or there. Predictor unpredicted means we can't say. Okay, unpredicted cost. Okay, what does it mean, unpredicted cost? In the sense, to make sure that to enable the cloud can substantially reduces the staff and hardware cost, but the price should be end up being more than you bargained for migrating to the cloud. It is also an understandable cost, and it makes sure that the correct systems that support your business while you are moving to the cloud, it could raise operating cost substantially. Okay. And what exactly? In the sense, the cloud can substantially reduce the staff, and one more hardware cost, but the price could end up being more than you bargained for migrating to the cloud. Is also an understated that cost, and it makes sure that the current systems that support your business while you are moving to the cloud, it could raise the operating cost substantially. Okay, substantially. Okay, it's nothing but unpredicted cost. And coming to the contracts and lock ins, in the sense, what we want to say, contracts and lock ins, in the sense, traditional IT infrastructure, it could be downsized and upsized, and as well as contracted in and otherwise controlled by you. Okay, on-site hardware and software infrastructures and platforms, it always carried some obligations. Okay. But now the cloud service provider, for the most part of that, it has all the decisions powers, vendors lock in. Okay, in the sense, customers, so cloud service providers lock in. It is also a major issue, as it was with old IT infrastructure, and this could add up to cost, efficiency, and performance disadvantages. Later we seen what does the traditional IT could be downsized, upsized, and contracted and otherwise we want to control by you itself only. Okay, it is nothing but contracts and lock ins. Okay, these are the disadvantages of cloud computing. Previous class we seen advantages of cloud computing is nothing but pros of cloud computing. In that we seen the advantages of cloud computing. What we have to see in easy implementation, accessibility, no hardware requirements, and cost per head, and flexibility for growth and efficient recovery, and storage and scalability. And one more advantage of cloud computing, backup and disaster recovery, and mobility. And coming to the two more advantages of cloud computing, last is cost efficiency, and one more, enable IT innovation. And coming to the disadvantages of cloud computing, no longer in control, we want to implement it cloud, may not get all the features at the cloud, no redundancy. Okay, and coming to the here bandwidth issues will occur at a disadvantage of cloud computing. And to control and reliability and security, privacy, and compliance, these are the disadvantages of cloud computing. Compatibility, unpredicted cost, and coming to the last final one, contracts and lock ins. Okay, these are the advantages and disadvantages of cloud computing. Later we discuss the further topic, implementation levels of virtualization. Okay, implementation levels of virtualization. Okay, thank you, ma.